Hello everyone and welcome to the WonderHub Learning Centre. I'm Brian Ebury, your WonderHub Experience Officer. In this episode, we'll explore Whiteboard's AI features and resource library, including rulers and other teaching tools. To help teachers quickly find materials and keep handwriting clear for students, we've developed a wide range of AI functions. For example, teachers can convert handwriting into neat, legible text in 39 languages. The system also supports automatic text layout, so a handwritten sentence is instantly formatted into a clean line. If a letter is missing, it can be added with a caret. Words can also be deleted with a simple wavy line. Beyond text, handwriting can be converted into precise shapes such as rectangles, circles, triangles, polygons, straight lines and arrows. For K-12 classrooms, emoji conversion makes lessons more engaging. For example, turning strokes into smiley faces and other icons. In addition to these core AI features, Whiteboard also supports WonderAI's AI Identify. Teachers can circle content to get AI explanations, link to encyclopedia, generate example sentences, or even create quiz questions automatically. Whiteboard also comes with a rich library of tools. From the More Tools menu, you can insert images, videos, or cloud files, or search directly for online media in the resource library. Teachers can also open PDF files inside Whiteboard for live teaching, highlighting or annotating as needed, and then save changes directly. In maths classes, preset 2D and 3D shapes can be inserted, or teachers can use ruler and compass tools to draw circles right on the panel. There's also a formula editor for creating and teaching mathematical functions. For PE, basketball and soccer tactic boards make it easy for coaches to illustrate plays and strategies. In higher education, instructors can guide group discussions using tools like the SWOT analysis model. To better manage classroom activities, built-in tools such as a stopwatch and timer help teachers assign and time student responses. At the end of class, teachers can enable the QR code sharing feature so students can instantly download the content to their phones. Whiteboard also supports saving to local image, PDF and VWB formats. With autosave turned on, all canvases are continually saved in the file browser and can be reopened for editing anytime. That concludes our introduction to Whiteboard. Thanks for watching. We'll be back with more great features, so stay tuned.